Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this DTI tutorial, I'm going to serve a hibiscus core look that's fresh, vibrant, and totally show-stopping. So if you're looking to stun with every step and radiate that effortless island energy, this is the floral fit you need to try. So let's just get started. So for the hair in here, I'm using this three from the updo hair category, but for this one, I only use the bangs. And then combine with this bangs in here, also this long straight hair. Then for the outfit, first I'm going to just go to the dressing room and put on the new dress from the summer update, this one, and can just color it with a pink color. So I'm going to use this pink color in here. This is the hex code, and for this one I'm going to turn off the chains and make it sheer like this. Then I'm going to put on this, go to the Valentine updates and put on this skirt. Change all the color into white and make the material foil. And for the skirt, I'm going to also combine it with another skirt from the code items, this one in here. Toggle it into long and remove the ribbons, and again change the color into white and make it foil. Now we can just go to the currency tab, and here I'm going to put on this shoe first. Toggle it into ballet and change the shoe color into pink like the dress. And I'm going to also put on this top in here and toggle it into number 3. So I'm going to just use the ruffles, and in here change the color into pink like this. And now I'm going to also put on this skirt, toggle it into number 5 and remove the chains. So for this ruffles, I'm going to use this yellow color and again make it foil. Let's go back to the Valentine's update and put on this dress in here, and I'm going to only use the ribbon, so change the color into yellow. And now let's go in here. I'm going to put on the accessory first, this necklace, and here I'm going to color it pink. And also this hat piece, first color make it yellow and the gems color make it pink. Then the last accessory that you need to put on is the flower on the hat that you can find on these summer updates. This one, change the color into yellow and the inner petal into pink. And so this is the final look of hibiscus in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.